Hey, Dave Friedman here with another market update for you from the Dave Friedman team, and also a list of things to do around Charleston. So first and foremost, there's a big list below here, so take a look at that. My top favorites are Dave Friedman team's 5th annual chocolate giveaway for Valentine's Day. So don't be bashful, send me an email back and I'll mail you a box of chocolates in the mail. Everybody loves chocolates. The reason I do this is to show my gratitude and appreciation for everyone that supports our business. Some other favorite things going on are the Charleston and Southeast Wildlife Expo. Another great event too is the Charleston Wine and Food Festival that starts at the end of this month. And there's a number of oyster roasts going on with nonprofit organizations this month. So make sure you get out there and support our nonprofits. As far as our market update goes, we sold 18,000 homes, over 18,000 homes last year in the market, which is fantastic. So that surpassed 2016 and marks our best year ever for home sales. So that was up 3.4% from 2016, which is not a huge number. Also, prices were only up about 4.3% from 2016 to 17, which is very sustainable, and that's very moderate. If you're looking for any kind of market analysis on your home or equity evaluation, please shoot me an email and let me know. Or if you're looking to purchase a home, I can put together an analysis for you on the best time to purchase and also the best neighborhoods to purchase in. So I hope you have a great day, and I hope this was helpful. If you need anything, let me know.